Greetings, my name is David Pride and I'm very excited to introduce you to Qwatch, the 3D printed, fully customizable smartwatch. I have here the Neon and Chronos versions, and what I'd like to do is to give you a quick overview of what Qwatch is, what it does, and how you can customize it to make your own fully unique smartwatch. We wanted Qwatch to be easily accessible to as many people as possible. Both the Ready and the Mod editions therefore give you a fully functioning smartwatch app with 6 digital and 6 analog faces and a range of pre-configured apps accessible via the touchscreen. If you swipe up, you have your app drawer. If you swipe down for settings from the watch screen, to the left you have your stepometer, which will count today's and the last 7 days steps. To the right you have your stopwatch. If you pull down to the settings, in your settings you can configure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the settings for the stepometer. If you look in the watch, this is where you can choose your face from the faces gallery for both analog and digital faces. This is the Orbit digital face, which includes time, date, weather and weather icon, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Come back here, you can switch back. That's back to your analog face. The Qwatch Ready edition comes with a browser-based installer. Plug the watch into a laptop or PC and it's a single click to install the firmware and your watch is ready to go. The Mod edition gives you access to the full source code and the config files. We also provide templates for the digital and the analog faces and all of the widgets, and we provide those templates, and those templates combined with your own background images means you can create a literal limitless range of watch faces. For serious developers, you get access to everything, including the full source code. The menus and these screens are all extensible and easily configured, so you can add your own additional navigation and you can add your own apps. Qwatch also comes with 2 straps. We have a flexible sports band style strap designed for printing in TPU, and we have a print in place link style strap that's designed for printing in PLA or PETG. It has a standard sort of clasp arrangement there. And for the Ready edition, you get both of these straps in small, medium and large. For the Mod edition, we'll give you parametric generators so you can generate both of these straps in exactly the right size that you want. So whatever your skill level and whatever your style, we think you'll find there's a Qwatch for everyone.